Okay, back to... All right, here's some debris. The tree fell straight across the street. Here's some debris on my neighbor's front lawn that still hasn't gotten picked up because my insurance is gonna have to pick that up. Here's... this street, you couldn't pass it. Both these power poles were laying on the ground. The transformers were smashed, and the utility company just came, looked at them, left, even though one was just laying across the street. They didn't care. They left it there for 2 weeks until they finally fixed the lines. Here's one trunk. This was all the way across the street. Here's my smashed fence. Here's more of my smashed fence. Here's more tree on my smashed fence. So all in all, it was a real suck-ass night that night. Anyways, there we are.